10 health benefits of dates fruit. Dates, the sweet fruits from the date palm tree, offer numerous health benefits. Here are 10 reasons to include them in your diet. 1. Nutrient-rich, dates are packed with essential vitamins, B6, K, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, iron. 2. Energy boost, high in natural sugars, glucose, fructose, sucrose, dates provide a quick and lasting energy boost. 3. Digestive health, their high fiber content helps alleviate constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. 4. Antioxidant-rich, dates contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. 5. Heart health, potassium and magnesium in dates help regulate blood pressure, while soluble fiber reduces cholesterol levels. 6. Bone health, rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K, dates support strong bones and help prevent osteoporosis. 7. Anti-inflammatory, polyphenols and antioxidants in dates reduce inflammation, aiding conditions like arthritis. 8. Brain function, choline and vitamin B6 in dates enhance memory and learning, and their antioxidants reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. 9. Natural sweetener, dates serve as a healthier alternative to refined sugars, adding sweetness and nutrition to recipes. 10. Weight management, the fiber in dates promotes fullness, helping to control calorie intake and support weight management. Incorporating dates into your diet can improve overall health, offering both delicious taste and valuable nutrition. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.